This week we got our hands on these very lengthy Novostella indoor light strips. These particular light strips today are indeed 16 meters long. They are RF remote controlled that have multiple colours and preset modes. So with this 52 feet light strip, there are 480 LEDs attached. You will have access to multifunctional controls, and yes, they can be cut to your preferred length too. Inside the box, you get a slimlined multifunction remote control unit with many colour tones to choose from. We also get a power cable, splitter relay unit, a lengthy power extension cable, and a power adapter too. For fitment, we get some durable cable ties. We are also provided with a few sticky back clips too, and a simple how to fit guide. But in regards to the LED light strips themselves, we have two, both being 8 meter lengths. As you can see, we got the power connectors to both ends, which will be inserted into that splitter relay cable supplied. Each one of these LED light beads are securely attached to the sticky back ribbon. Now you do have cut lines scattered along that cable. Here's one just here. Now you can branch off this cable should you wish, but I will note that an adapter will be needed that unfortunately is not supplied today. Now just like us, if you indeed plan to use these lights along the top rim of your room, then you will certainly need to plan and measure first. As you can see today, we've already got some Novostella lights already fitted to the back of this actual desk. But because we've got this quite lengthy 16 meter strip, well, we've gone ahead and attached those sticky back cable ties to where that initial power cable will run from, and we have carefully and patiently rolled out each one of the LED light strips up and around the door frame and around the top part of this big bedroom. Now this only took us around 8 minutes to do, and well, the results? Well, what can I say? This teenager's bedroom has now got some light appeal. It is certainly lovely looking, bringing some warmth light to the room, and also looks super fantastic in that bright pink colour too. Now you do have interchangeable light colours to choose from, different colour tones, light patterns, and brightness levels also. Now since we have got these reliable light strips this week, we've actually gone ahead and bought ourselves a few more. And well, today we have actually transformed this amazing looking makeup room. Again, with these light strips bringing a warmth environment to almost any kind of surface backing. So yes, you can use this in a kitchen, in a bedroom or study, and if you go over to the Novostella website, you can not only find these LED light strips in many different lengths, but you can also check out some of the mobile phone controlled light strips too. Now I will leave a main link for these lights in the video description down below. If you've liked what you've seen today, well, why not go ahead and go get yours. While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much if you please support this channel by liking and sharing this video today, as well as subscribing to this channel, making sure to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now this is just a very quick video this week, and we hope to see you guys on our very next video. But as usual, guys, please stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!